Hello everyone, you're in Endurance Laser Lab. In this video, we are going to present you our own developed external heatsink. So here is our heatsink. We added transparent acrylic plate over here to show you how these both guys work. So you can run them independently or you can run them together. But the final version will look like this with metallic coverage. So we'll have metallic plate over here. You add tech plate here and you add an external heatsink and external fan over here. So you have cold part that cools down, chills your water, and you have hot part of your Peltier tech cooling that is being air cooled by your fan and your external heatsink. We didn't really isolate it as well, but you'll see the basic principle. Okay, Pasha will turn on the system. Okay, and you see the water is going. Right, so it's very simple, very easy. I think that these both heatsinks could be used in different applications. And here you see this curved road, this curved path, and here is a little bit different. So it's it's increasing its width over here and then decreasing. So yeah, we'll use those our own heatsink in our water chillers and our products. And if you want to order external water heatsink, you're welcome to email me info@endurancelasers.com, or you're welcome to visit our website endurancelasers.com or our online store endurance-lasers.com. Soon they'll be available on our online store. So thanks for watching and enjoy. And if you need some products from Endurance Lasers, you're welcome to call us. My phone is 239-302-0053. Bye-bye.